Why are you looking for job change? It is one of the important interview question. Let's understand how to give positive answer for this. There are three different situations we look for a job change. Number 1, working with current company searching for a better job. Number 2, we resigned, left the company searching for a job. Number 3, we got fired, left the company searching for a job. Today we are going to understand the best and acceptable reasons for a job change. Number 1, thanks to previous organization. 2, explain what you learned from past job experience. 3, share your reason for job change. 4, relate to your career goals. 5, you want a change in career direction. 6, the company closed down. 7, your company was restructuring. 8, decide to gain a new skill or grow a current skill. 9, you had to leave due to family or personal reasons. 10, you don't like the hours at your current job. 11, you decided to relocate to a new city. 12, you had to leave for health reasons that have since been resolved. In case working with current company and searching for better job, this example for you. I'm thankful to my previous organization because I have learnt a lot of things from there. According to me, changes are necessary for everyone to enhance your skills, knowledge, and for personal growth and financial growth. Your organization is a good platform where I can learn more. In case job resigned, left the company, searching for a job. This example for you. Well, I enjoyed the 3 years that I worked in ABC company, and during that time I have learned a lot. I met amazing people, but it's time to take more challenges. Looking for a new position in your company, ready to take more challenges, I want to grow. In case when you fired, left the company searching for a job. This example for you. Well, I enjoyed the 3 years that I worked in ABC company, and during that time I have learned a lot. I met amazing people, but 1 year back company taken new challenging projects which change company vision, which need new skills. That's the reason I am here today. Looking for new position in your company.